Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Warzone dev error 6036. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your disk where you install the Call of Duty Warzone, and then you need to, usually is on program files x86, and then you need to go to Call of Duty, and then you should see data here, folder here, all right? Data. And here it should be data. So what you need to do here is to delete this data folder. And after you delete this data folder, then you need to go back to your Battle.net or Steam. And here it will be not play button, but update. And when you press the update button, it will reinstall all the data again, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.